Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Benny Childs. You guys know me, founder of the Teach Me the Fish Effects trading community. I also go by the Forex Pastor, and today I am coming to you right now with hopefully an inspirational video for you guys, and just to kind of reveal to you the trading system that I have put together. All right, and so many of you may be aware of this template. This is typically the template, or somewhat the template, what you typically see with the market makers method. All right, and so this is a template that I was able to get off of line for free. All right, I got that template offline for free. However, I have made some adjustments to the template and also to these indicators that you see. All right, these are modified indicators that I use to help me to trade the strategy, right, that I am teaching the Teach Me the Fish Effects trading community. All right, and so I want to show you guys exactly what it is that I am looking for. Now, I'm not going to reveal how I know to get in the trade, or when to get in the trade, when to get out of the trade, how to manage your trade. All right, I'm not going to get into that, but I just want to show you guys just the setup that I'm looking at right now. And so basically what I do, I like to trade off of the 4-hour time frame. All right, and so with the 4-hour time frame, I am looking for basically key trading points in the market to trade from. And so it is no secret, right? I don't care what anyone tells you. The market, it is manipulated, right? The market is manipulated. However, the market flows from not support, not resistance. The market flows from not supply, not demand, but the market flows from accumulation and distribution areas. All right, accumulation and distribution areas. What I have is, or what I have done was, I found indicators. Well, number one, I developed a strategy, all right, to be able to trade these key trading areas of the market. Listen to me carefully, all right, and you're going to get this. I developed a strategy, right, for myself to be able to trade key trading areas of the market. Once I got that down pat, I then began to look for indicators to help me to trade that strategy. I'm not looking for indicators to tell me how to trade, what to trade, when to trade. I have my own brain for that. All right, I have my own training, I have my own knowledge, I have my own intellect, just like you. I use the indicators to now make it easy for me to identify those areas where I'm not having to sit at my chart all day, every day. I have particular times that I go to my chart to look for these setups to see when the market is in these areas. And if they're there, I look for what I need to get in the market, or what I need to wait in order to get into the market. All right, and so that's what these indicators, that's all the indicators should help you to do. All right, you have to know how to trade, and it's very simple. I give you my 3 basics all the time, and that is knowing market structure, knowing market cycle, and knowing market manipulation. And you can learn all of that in less than 24 hours. All right, the training that I provide, the trading community, They learn that in less than 24 hours and they're ready to go. Now, if you are a beginning trader, right, these indicators are definitely going to be your training wheels. Okay, they're going to be your training wheels, and the indicators, in a sense, they will tell you who, what, when, where, and how. All right, but in the back of your mind, you're going to have the training, you're going to have the knowledge, the know-how as far as market structure, market cycle, and market manipulation. All right, and so yes, I want you to use the indicators as training wheels if you are a beginner. But if you are an experienced trader, you'll be able to use this system. You might as well call it a system that I've put together. But you'll be able to use this system in order to alert you. All right? In order to alert you. That's what you're going to use these indicators for. All right? So here's an easy setup again. All right? The price is currently in a good trading area, for the market. Okay? And I was able to go through the pairs that I like to look at. All right, these are all the pairs that I like to look at. Dollar index, Litecoin versus Bitcoin, Bitcoin versus the dollar, Litecoin versus the dollar, and then these pairs here. I'm not going to go through all of them. I have my reasons for trading these pairs, and if you're in a group, you guys, you know why. All right, and if you're not in a group, I want you to join the group. All right, join the group, and learn. So I was able to just kind of skim through, like I didn't finish. Euro Swiss, this is in a key area, and so no, I know some of you guys may be looking at it like, oh, he's trading reversal. No, I don't just trade reversal. All right, it's not just a reversal strategy. Okay, but you're able to just kind of glance in here, and look for these key areas for the market. Like I told you, accumulation and distribution is what drives the market. Now, there are trades. All right, so I'm mainly looking at this one. I may look at this one, but I'm mainly looking at this one. All right, I like how this is. I like how this is set up. All right, I like what this is doing right now, but it's not ready yet. Euro Swiss, and that's Euro CAD. Just to let you guys know, Euro Swiss. I'll look at it a little bit more, analyze it, do some top-down analysis, but there's some good setups in here for some scalping. Some long-term scalping, if you will, if you will afford me to say that. I know that's an oxymoron, but there are some opportunities that I see here for some long-term scalping. So, just maybe able being, jump in as a scalp and maybe make it an intraday or hold it for a couple of days. Nothing really too serious. However, that's just an alert. That's just a TDI alert. It is what it is. You guys know TDI. Yeah, this is just TDI alert. You see the EMAs. Now, let me go ahead and tell you what I have here. The indicators that that I was able to add into this. So basically, these are free indicators that I have recoded to do what we need them to do. All right, to show us what we need them to show us. All right. No, I didn't steal any indicators. No, I didn't steal any source codes. These are free source codes. that I was able to recode to do how and what I need them to do. All right. So, yeah, you probably can, or not probably, but you yourself can find these free indicators. If you know how to code, you can find any free indicator and get it to, or free source the indicator. I don't want to say for any free indicator because there's some free indicators out there with some closed source codes, but these are free indicators that I found. Again, I was able to recode them to do exactly what it is I need them to do. All right, to show me the strategy that I like to trade. I'm a swing trader, okay? I can scalp, all right? This will also, if you guys saw my other video from earlier today, this will also allow you to trade the market maker's method, all right? It's no secret about the market maker's method. You know, that's out. Shout out to Steve Morrow. Shout out to all you other individuals out there who are, you know, your program is based off of the market maker method. Shout out to you. All right, but that stuff you can find for free with a quick YouTube search. All right, I've graduated from the market maker's method. Do I trade the market maker's method every now and then? Yes. All right, I will jump in when I see a good setup and trade the market maker's method. But for the most part, you know, this is I'm H4 and up. So I like to get in those good swings. You know, I like to get in, you know, like in the area like here, and ride that bad boy down. You know, 253 pips. You know, just get in and let it go. Don't worry about it. You know, and so that's what I'm teaching you at the Teach Me to Fish FX training community. I'm teaching you market structure, market cycle, market manipulation. I'm also giving you access to the system that I put together. And those individuals who are a part of the community, you guys know that I am always tinkering on this thing. I'm always updating. I'm always making it better. This actual system that you're looking at now, I have not released it to the community yet. But you guys are getting to see this firsthand. All right. But community members, you guys know that it's coming. The other template that you guys have, the other system that you guys have, it works just fine as long as you follow and stick to the trading plan. And so I just wanted to share this with you guys. All right. And hopefully you found value in the things that I shared with you. All right, and I'll go over them because I want to see you do good. I want you to do well in the Forex trading market. I want you to come over and be a part of the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community. All right, and so I can, you know, definitely help you out, but I'll point you in the right direction. The market does not run off of support, resistance. It does not run off of trend lines. It does not run off of supply and demand. And these are all good things to go by, right? Naked price action trading, right? But you have to know that the market it moves from accumulation and distribution. And that is what I share with you guys in the community, all right? We have a 99. I know you don't want to believe it, but we have a 99% profitable strategy. All right. I share with you some things on knowing how to trade the market, when to trade the market, and staying in your trade. All right. This is no rip off from anyone else's. Shout out to you guys. You know, I know, none of that stuff. No beef or anything like that. All right, no rip off, no beef or anything like that. But I'm just reaching my reach, and I want to help you guys to be profitable traders. So, yeah, this is just a setup that I'm looking at. EuroCAD. I'm going to take note of that, of the EuroCAD, and I am going to be watching this pair. All right, and I'm going to jump in, and I'll be back so you guys can see the results. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I appreciate you for taking the time to watch the video. I hope that it provided some type of value to you. And if you're looking for that 99% profitable strategy, I want you to head over to the teachmetofisheffects.com and sign up. Head over to Facebook, find the group, request access to the group, and I'll give you your instructions, or you'll receive your instructions in order to be accepted in the group, and you can go ahead and start your training. All right. So, all right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. As always, if you stay in God, you got to know that if you stay in God, you will stay in control. And until next time, happy pip fishing. Bye-bye.